Forget the canvas. The ocean is nature's greatest artist.
The ocean paints its creatures in every color imaginable.
From sun-drenched reefs to mysterious depths, color explodes everywhere. Meet the nudibranch, a living warning sign saying, "I'm toxic, don't touch." The Mandarin fish uses color for camouflage, courtship, and survival. And the peacock mantis shrimp, beauty, armor, and the fastest punch on Earth. Every color tells a story, survival, attraction, and endless creativity. Dive deeper. Like this short and subscribe to the Submerged World. Dive deeper. Like this short and subscribe to the Submerged World.